Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about about Unit 5. Okay, and we will start from multiplying and dividing by power of 10. Okay, we remember that if we have 0.35 times 10, so we are going, if I want to use the place value chart, okay, we are going to use it. So let's write. Here is the star, and this is the decimal point, and this is the decimal places. Okay, here we know that we have yes, ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, and here we have decimal point, and here we have tenths, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so we are going to write the number. Here we don't have 1, so we have 0. And here we have 3, and here we have 5. So we know that if I use the decimal chart or the place value chart, we are going to move the last digit step according to this number. How many zeros? 1 0, so we are going to move it 1 decimal place. Okay, to what? To left or to the right? Yes, we are going to move it to the left. So let's move it. We are going to move this number, so it will be here. Then, yes, move the other number, it will be here. And put the decimal point and move the other number. So it will be 3.5. Okay. If I want to use another way, if we have 0.35 times 10, okay, we can move the decimal point, okay, not move the digits, okay. So we are going to move the decimal point in this way. If I want to move the decimal point, I am going to move to the right, okay. I am going to move to the right. So let's move the decimal point to the right. So it will be here. So it will be 3.5. Okay. If I have another example, 0.35 times 100. So we are going to move what? Yes, I want to move the decimal point. So the decimal point, we are going to move how many digits? Yes, 2 digits because we have 2 zeros. So the decimal point will be here. 1, 2. So it will be 35 decimal point 0. Okay, اللي هي equal 35. Okay, let's see the next example in division. If I want to divide 0.35 divided 10. So as usual, we are going to write the places. Okay, this is a star, and this is the decimal point, and this is the decimal. Okay, here we have ones and tens and hundred. Here we have, yes, decimal point and tenths, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, let's write the number. Yes, 0.35. In divide, we know that we are going to move the number to the right. Okay. Okay, let's move it. Okay, so 0 will be, yes, here, will be here. Okay, and the decimal point as it is, and 3 will be here, and 5 will be here. So it will be 0.035. Okay, If I want to use the other way اللي هي to move the decimal point, okay, let's see, we have 0.35 divided 10. In this way, we don't move to the right. We are going to move to the left. So we are going to move one digit here. So it will be 0.035. Okay. But if I want to, if I have 230, 23.56, and I need to divide it by 100. So we are going to move the decimal point to the left, one place, two places. So it will be, yes, 0.2356. So the number will be 0.2356. So if I want to move the decimal point in multiplication, we are going to move to the right. Okay. If I want to move the decimal point in division, we are going to move to the left. Move the decimal point to the left. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we need to find the strategies of multiplying decimals. We have many strategies. If we have number like 0.3 times 4, okay, 0.3 times 4, first strategy, if I use repeated addition. So it means 0.3. How many times for repeating? Yes, 4 times. So it will be 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 and add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 12, 2 and carry up 1, and we know that we must put the decimal. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal 1. So the answer will be 1.2. Okay. If I need to find I'll use the number line. Okay. Let's draw the number line. Okay. And consider this is 0 and this is 1. Between 0 and 1, we know that we have, yes, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. I think إن إحنا محتاجين نحركها شوية. 0.9، 0.10 اللي هي ال 1. So 1 will be here. And we will add another 2 dashes. Okay, let's see. 0.3. So it will be from 0 to 3. Okay, this is the 0.3. Sorry, from here to here, 3 dashes. Okay, and take another 3 dashes. And take 3 dashes and take another 3 dashes. So the answer will be, yes, 1, and we have another 2. So it will be 1.2. Okay, base 10 clock. Base 10 clock. We know that in multiplication or in decimal, we know that this is represent 0, 0.1. This one represent 0.1. No, sorry. This represent 1/10 اللي هي 0.1. And here we have 1/10 again. And here we have 1/10 again اللي هي تبقى 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. So we have how many? 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, it means 0.3. And 0.3 repeated how many times? 4. So we are going to repeat this drawing 4 times. 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. Let's count. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it means we have 12 tenths. 12 tenths, how can we write it in decimal? It will be 1.2. Okay, for using multiplying facts, the normal way or the standard form of multiplication. Here, 0.3 multiply 4. Let's multiply. 4 times 3 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. 4 times 0 equal 0. 0 plus 1 equal 1. And here, how many decimal places? Here we have one decimal place, so we are going to count to put the decimal point. So one decimal place, it means we are going to put it after one digit. So 1 will be here. Okay, so it will be 1.2. Okay, let's complete. If we have 3.5 times 75, and we need to solve it by area model. We know that in area model we need to decompose the number. So here, this number 6 means 6, and here 0.7 and 0.05. We must put the values or the places. So it will be 6, and here 0.7, and here 0.05. And 3.5, if I want to decompose, it will be, yes, 3 and 0.5. Let's multiply. 3 times 6 equal 18. 0.7 times 3. 7 times 3 equal 21. And we have one decimal place, so we are going to put it after one decimal place. 0.05 times 3. 5 times 3 equal 15. And we have two decimal places, so let's count 1, 2, and put the decimal point. Okay, 0.5 times 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. And we have one decimal place, so we are going to put the decimal point. 7 times 5 equals 35. Okay, here we have one decimal place, and here we have one decimal place. So we have two decimal places, so we are going to put the decimal point after two digits. 1, 2, then put the decimal point and 0. 5 times 5, 0.05 times 0.5. Here we have 25 because 5 times 5 equal 25. Here we have two decimal places, and here we have one decimal place, so we are going to put it after three decimal places. So let's count 1, 2, and we don't have the other, so it will be 0.1, 2, 3 decimal places, and let's add. Okay, 18 plus 3 equal, yes, 21. Let's add 2.1 plus 0.35. So here we have one decimal place, and here we have two decimal places. So we are going to add 0. 0 plus 5 equal 5. And 1 plus 3 equal 4. And put the decimal point. 2 plus 0 equal 2. Here we have two decimal, and here we have 3. So we are going to add 0. 0 plus 5 equal 5. 5 plus 2 equal 7. 1 plus 0 equal 1. And 0 plus 0 equal 0. Okay, let's add. So here we have 1. Here we have point and put 3 decimal places. Okay, 5 plus 0 equal 5. 7 plus 5 equal 12. Plus 0 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 0 equals 6. The decimal point. Okay, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 1, 3. And so the answer will be 23.625. Here we have the standard form of multiplication. So we are going to put the biggest number up, 6.75 times 3.5. Okay. In multiplication by standard form, ignoring the decimal point, ignoring till finished. Okay, so we are going to multiply normal multiplication. 5 times 5 equal 25. 5 and carry up 2. 5 times 7, 35 plus 2, 37. 7 and carry up 3. 5 times 6 equal 30. 30 plus 3 equal 33. Okay, here we are going to keep the first number with 0. 3 times 5 equal 15. 5 and carry up 2. 3 times 7, 21. 21 plus 2 equal 23. 3 and carry up 2. 3 times 6 equal 18. 18 plus 2 equal 20. And let's add 5 plus 0. Yes, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. 3 plus 0 equal, 3 plus 0 equal 3. 2 plus 2. So how many decimal places here? We have here 2 decimal places and here 1 decimal place. So we have 3 decimal places. So we are going to put 0. Okay. I think we have something wrong here. 5 plus 0, 5. Okay, 7 plus 5, 2, and carry up 1. I forgot here to add 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. Something wrong. Here. Okay. Here is the wrong. Okay, 3 times 5, 15. 5 and carry up 1. 3 times 7, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. So here is 2. Okay. So this is number is 6. Sorry for this mistake. Okay. So the answer 23.625. Okay, let's see the other ways. Okay, estimating decimal product 2.75 times 6.5. Here we have two methods. If I want to estimate, we have two methods. One of them is using rounding. Here we are going to use the rounding to nearest whole number. Here to nearest whole number. Okay, so 2.75 to nearest whole number. It will be, yes, this is the whole number, and 7 will increase it, so it will be 3. And 6.5, okay, here we have 5, and the whole number is 6, so 6 will be increased, it will be 7. So it will be 3 times 7 equals 21. Okay, the other way in estimating using compatible number. Okay, if I use 2.75, the compatible number to multiply it by 6.5 will be, the closest number is 3. Okay, so it will be 3 times 6.5. Okay, let's multiply. It will be 3 times 5, 15. 5 and carry up 1. 3 times 6, 18 plus 1 equal 19. So the answer will be 19.5. Okay. And now we have finished multiplying by power of 10 and the multiplying decimal. Okay, thank you.